Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me on Wellnesske. Today I'm going to show you how you can be able to prepare a healthy vegan smoothie that will help you in curbing your sugar cravings. So if you have a sweet tooth, then this recipe is just for you, especially when you're about to have your menstrual cycle or that you're pregnant. So all the ingredients we're going to be using today are going to be available on the Wellnesske platform. But before we go too far, I want to remind you to hit that like button and subscribe button. That way you'll know every single time we post a new recipe. So for today's recipe, what you're going to need is some banana, you're going to need cinnamon tea, you're going to need raw organic honey, sesame seed milk, and some chia seeds. The first step is to make sure that everything is ready and clean and put everything in a blender and blend to your desired thickness. We're using bananas because they contain fiber and slow releasing sugars which help in balancing your blood sugar levels. Cinnamon also helps in balancing blood sugar levels because it acts as natural insulin. Honey, on the other hand, helps you in regulating your fasting blood sugar levels, while chia seeds are actually essential in preventing diabetes and helping to lower your blood sugar. Sesame seed milk contains peanut resinol, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. So make sure that you've mixed your chia seed gel on the side, and if you don't know how to do that, we're actually going to link a video right here so that you know how you can prepare your very own chia seed pudding. Also, make sure that you've prepared some fresh batch of sesame seed milk. We're actually going to link a video right here so you know exactly how to prepare your very own homemade sesame milk. And you also need to make your own cinnamon tea. If you don't know how to do that, again, we're going to link a video right here so that you can make your very own homemade cinnamon tea. And now it's time for us to add some honey. If you're diabetic, remember you can skip this step or make sure that you ask your doctor first before you use any kind of sugar, even though it's natural sugar. But if you substitute the honey, you can still be able to use this recipe as a diabetic, and it's going to help you in regulating your blood sugar levels. Now it's time for us to blend and make sure that you keep an eye on it. And if you want your smoothie a little bit lighter, keep adding the milk and you'll find that it'll actually be even more delicious. And our smoothie is ready. Make sure that you serve this smoothie while it's chilled with a handful of nuts or a healthy snack of choice. This healthy vegan smoothie will help you, especially during your menstrual cycle when you have that sweet tooth. Our star of the recipe was our chia seeds, which are available at Wellnesske at 450 shillings. You can also be able to buy raw organic honey at 699 shillings and sesame seeds at 400 shillings. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe button. My name is Fatma. Thanks for watching.